Hi guys, so the other day I made a video on how to open can with a spoon, and so many people had issues with it because most of my friends were like, how would I say this is for emergency when I used it almost the whole day? Okay, so the can I used was actually very strong. So the can I used was actually very strong. Like, this is actually very strong, and to open this even with a knife, you actually have to struggle with it. So today I'll be using a normal can. Let us see how long it will take me to open this can with a spoon. So like I said, you have to hold your spoon like this, and then now we're going to open this milk can. Let us see how it goes. So you do this. As you can see, it's not even up to 5 seconds, but it's open. So now I'm going to open it round. Let us see how long it will take me to actually do that. So yeah, at this point you can actually remove your milk or whatever is in your container. You don't actually have to open this particular container round, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to open it round. Sorry, I'm actually trying to be careful so that I don't pour the milk away. So this is it, and as you can see it is very easy and simple and less stressful, and I opened this in less than 2 minutes. So yes, for emergencies, when you don't have knife around you and you want to open a can, you can just easily use your spoon. If you don't have knife or you don't have a can opener, you can just easily use your spoon. So try this hack and let me know what you think. For those of you that watched the first video, let me know what you actually think about this one. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.